Welcome. If you want to make sure everyone can see your public post notifications on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to show public post notifications on your Facebook page using your PC. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just want to keep your followers in the loop, these steps will help you get set up quickly and easily. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you have multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the right one. After you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo at the top left. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Next, it's time to access your settings. On the left-hand side, find and click on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. This will open a new menu with various options to customize your page. Scroll down until you see Follower and Public Content. Click on it to expand more options. Here, you'll find the section labeled Public Post Notifications. This is where you control who can receive notifications about your public posts. To make your notifications visible to everyone, choose the Public option. This ensures that anyone who follows your page, and even those who don't, can get notified whenever you post something new. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it! Your public post notifications are now set up, making it easier for your audience to stay updated with everything you share. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.